Well, hi. Welcome to the hopefully last part of the lecture on the unemployment and the reserve army of the Marxian economics course. Last time we have actually I have introduced you the MR Sheikh's Phillips curve and basically described the trend after 1949. And you can hear maybe the cat sounds. We have cats around here who are fighting with each other. But anyway, after 1983, you see a shift. And that shift was actually in parallel with the Reagan's politics in many sense. First, actually, there was a demographic shift. The women were increasingly joining to the labor force, so you have a new labor force coming into the country. In addition to that, you have the undocumented immigrants to the United States rising, and previously the source of undocumented immigrants, Latin America, those workers were coming up to 1960s legally, but they were only able to work in the farm jobs. Increasingly, they were able to work in different types of jobs. For example, in 1970s, the fast food industry was mainly employing them. The children, not children, the teenagers, they were basically making this advertisements that the working in the McDonald's is making your child more um, responsible. For example, they don't become gang members. Well, increasingly, well, people, uh, more people become the people employed in the fast food restaurants become undocumented immigrants, and they become spread, especially in the service sectors. They become very spread, and the service sector starts growing after 1970s in the United States. We should remember also that. But also Reagan has done a lot to eliminate the welfare state and also the subsidies, the pro-worker spending in the United States. But as a result, now you don't need that much unemployment to stabilize the economic system. Well, the wages were bad, the economic conditions were bad, at least the labor share was getting down. Maybe not as much down as it has risen in the 1940s. However, they lost all of those unemployment benefits or all the state programs that were helping them, the workers. And then you see a trend that was going down. What happens after that? I'm leaving to you. Well, it might have coming back to maybe to these locations and then maybe gone down further. So it doesn't need to be a smooth downward trend that is always going down. But the interesting thing is from 1949 to 2011, in general, you see unemployment rising, unemployment that's rising, and uh, the wage share falling. And maybe after 2011, it has gone down somewhere here, but the trend itself might have continued after 2011, even after the crisis is over. But look to the data, see yourself, see yourself. So the main point is after 1945, the trend is very much like Marx has foreseen. Only before 1940, 1949, something has happened, which might actually maybe increase the profit rates abruptly up. That might be expansion of the capitalist system, maybe. We will continue to discuss actually what might have opened up before 1949 while we are going through the Marxian trends and now discuss also this anomaly. Beyond other things, we will discuss this. Certainly not the only thing we will discuss. But this is the end of the this is the end of the unemployment and the reserve army section. We have seen why reserve army is basically how reserve army is described by Marx and what is its function and what is the trend of the reserve army, which is one of the trends Marx has described. Reserve army continuously getting larger and larger, and exploitation rate will go lower and lower. But we will put this piece and the other piece on technological change together when we look how companies are investing, basically. because the investment behavior of the companies, the way capitalists are using their power to decide how the production is directed, that would be key for the capitalist system. So in that sense, I mean, that's our next topic, the investment and capital accumulation. That's there we will describe the key element of the capitalist system, how those investments are actually regulated, what are the factors that are basically determining those investments. So see you in the next lecture. This lecture is this is the end of this lecture, and I hope you will stay healthy.